How you doing? You alright? Calling it Shine. Sam's fetching the Renault 25 down for a wash. Oh, it's horny! A bit stronger, I think.
You don't want to use something much stronger, I'd just stroke it in again. Yeah. Scrub, I need scrub. Scrub, scrub. Oh yes, today is Renault 25. We're going to remove the radiator and take it up for recall. I'm just fixing it in the garage now. Well, I won't say what that looks like to me, but all we know is the Renault 25 is weighing. What do you want? What do you want? We'll have some lunch and then we'll take the radiator out, eh, Sam? Do you want some of my lunch? Is that what you want? Go lie down, please. Go on. You're not having any? Not having any? So where's the radiator going to, Sam?
Queer floor.
Queer floor. And it's 100% called queer floor. Right, so apparently the radiator's coming out after lunch and it's off to queer floor. Is it in Darlington?
Yeah.
Yeah, so we'll have a ride up to Darlington. Just having lunch in Shine HQ. Sam looks like he's busy, trying to be busy. Yeah. This is the HQ. And that's Ellie. I always call her Bella, but Bella's a grumpy black one.
Richard.
Yeah. Or people call her Richard. Right, I'm having my lunch now. See you in a bit. It's not too cold today.
It's too cold to work, mate.
It's not too cold. She's a proper brass radiator. Hey, what you doing? Go find your ball. Go find your ball. That bit fell off.
I'm a bit brittle.
That is not your ball. Go get your ball. Go get your ball.
We've ordered a oil pressure switch as well, and the sensor because it's leaking out the end of the plug there. And as you see, where it's been weighing on the floor with the radiator, it's not very nice down there. You see that? So we're getting it off, and then we're going to have a ride up to the radiator place and get it dropped off.
It's a queer floor, mate.
Queer floor. Better be called queer floor. You better not be winding me up.
It's called queer floor.
Put your finger in there.
I'm not going to put my finger in there.
Why? Put the tub on it, didn't you, so it catches
Yeah.
it.
Ellie, go in your bed now. Go on.
It's not wanting to cooperate.
Maybe a water pump pliers twisted on it, it'll free it off.
I'll not push it because it's only brass. Hopefully queer floor will be able to fix it.
There she goes. Nice.
Dirty. Never been out.
There she comes. I think that's been in there for 30 years.
One. Is that the one plug-in down there? Yes, it does. Oh god, look in there. Oh, that's not too bad. One more. Do it a different way. Can't believe that came out.
That's not snapped. That's unbelievable.
She's gonna snap.
That one is. Oh yeah.
Spinning on a captive.
It's never been out, has it?
No. There we go.
Well, so that's how it's there. Wow.
So we're going to get some sawdust down on the coolant where it's leaked out now, and then we're going to get in the car and head up to Darlow and see if we can get that fixed.
What's on?
A queer floor.
At Queer Floor. Is it definitely called Queer Floor?
Yes, it is.
Look in the camera and
Yes,
say,
it is.
ah, you can't look, I think you're telling pokies. Renault 25, lovely.
Right, we're in the car and we're heading to dial up with the radiator to see if we can get it fixed. So yeah,
Queer floor.
at Queer Floor. Apparently it's called Queer Floor, but I don't believe it at all. So we'll find out shortly. See if I've been calling it Queer Floor for no reason whatsoever. Yeah, what's on? Cheers.
Rumble!
So we got back from Clear Flow. It wasn't Queer Flow. Sam was winding us up. The radiator core to be done, sadly, is going to cost a fortune. So we came back scratching our heads. And
then, I don't know how we came across it. We found a new one on the internet. It's absolutely buzzing. So, hello mate. So swap the sensor over, then we'll get it dropped in. We'll run it up to temperature, make sure everything's alright, because we haven't got that far with the Renault 25.
right, so cheers for watching that one. So in the next one, we're going to be sticking the radiator in because it was getting a long video and I wanted to shorten it down. So we're going to do it in a couple of videos now. We're chucking the radiator in the next one and doing a full service on it. So cheers for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you very much. Bye now.